We move on to the Galway West motion, motion 58, to be proposed by Deputy Michael D. Higgins.
Michael D. Higgins, Galway West Constituency Council. Motion 58 is a simple but fundamentally basic motion about protecting rights. It is about protecting the rights of all workers, particularly lower paid workers. In the time allocated to me, I only just want to say 2 or 3 things. Labour in government must commit itself towards protecting all workers, and we have, both here in our constituency and throughout the country, rejected false divisions that were sown between public and private sector workers. That has no place in people who are in favour of ethics or people who are in favour of a common shared citizenship. The other point I want to say is that the Labour Party has campaigned in the Dáil for the ratification by Ireland of those conventions which would have given protection to all workers, including migrant workers and their families. The Labour Party has asked again and again about the ratification of the United Nations Convention on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, which would have given additional rights to workers. But what is at stake in this, let's be very clear, is that there is an attempt being made to suggest that competitiveness means a low-wage economy. At the World Economic Forum, it was accepted that the biggest deficiency in competitiveness in Ireland was in a bad, poor and patchy infrastructure. Wages are only one part of competitiveness, but the argument is now being made that in order to drive on competitiveness, you need a low-wage economy in which workers would be happy to accept whatever you fire at them, in whatever conditions you allow, and without any rights whatsoever. This will be opposed by the Labour Party, and the Labour Party in government, yes, will defend the minimum wage. And I push it to those who suggest that the minimum wage should be lowered. Have they any idea of what it is like to try and survive on the minimum wage as costs go up all around you, indirect costs, charges, to look at your children not allowed to access education? Everything I said last night was about an innovative economy in an inclusive society, about building a common citizenship. That means all citizens, all workers. Yes, we protect the minimum wage. Yes, we have the expenditure on infrastructure that will create jobs. But we will not allow those workers who are among the lowest paid, those workers with special needs, those workers who are made casual, to carry the brunt of those who have wrecked our reputation abroad. And the best way to restore our reputation abroad is to know that Ireland is a good place to work, where workers are respected in decent conditions with rights that are being continually expanded. And that's what we want, and that's what we will look for in government.